We shift our focus to breaking news coming in, and this is in regard with the Stampede case in which Allu Arjun has been booked, where Republic has now accessed Allu Arjun case diary, where the details show that Allu Arjun has been named as accused number 11 in the case. Allu Arjun, along with his personal manager and security, has also been booked by the Hyderabad police. The Vendetta angle now being clear, as the entire Allu Arjun team has been named as accused in the case. Niranjan, my colleague, joins me live on the story. Niranjan, it's a clear case of political vendetta by the Congress against Allu Arjun and his team.
Well, we've accessed the full details of the case diary. I have the case diary with me, so we just accessed a copy of this. So I have 3 pages with me, and if I can just show you the three documents that I have here. Full details of the case diary. I have accessed the case diary along with my colleague Aneri. This is the full case diary, the remand case diary, and I'm going to read out from it because this case diary details out the full case. The name of the accused in this particular case, what I find very, very, very strange is that Hyderabad police has also gone on to name the filmmakers, the personal security, the manager, Allu Arjun himself. There's nobody in Allu Arjun's team who has not been named by the police in this, including the movie makers. My three movie makers have also been named as accused in this particular case diary. I have the case diary with me in my hand. I'm going to read out from it. And Agamati Ram Reddy, age 68, partner in Sandhya Theatre. Sandhya Theatre partners named as accused number 1. A2, Agamati Ram Reddy, son of late Malla Reddy, 70 years old, partner at Sandhya, accused number 2. Tati Pamula Vinay Kumar, accused number 16. Accused number 17 is Mohammad Parvez. Accused number 17 is Mohammad Parvez, age 25 years old. A1, A2, A16, A17 were arrested. So these are the details of those who were arrested. And the case diary mentions that the movie makers, the partners at Sandhya Theatre owners, partners were arrested. And I have the other accused as well. The details of the other accused, A3 Sandeep, age 37, a partner at Sandhya Theatre. A9 is Nagaraju, manager at Sandhya Theatre. And I have A10. A10 is Gandakam Vijay Chandar, age 53 years old. Lower balcony in charge and gatekeeper also booked. Everybody, excluding the toilet keeper, has been booked in this particular case. Allu Arjun entire team has been booked. Allu Arjun security, Allu Arjun manager, Allu Arjun bodyguard, Allu Arjun driver. I'm not sure if the driver is booked. I'll just read that also. I'm just checking the full details. A4. Okay, A4 is Sumit. Sumit is a partner of Sandhya Theatre. Sandhya Theatre, everybody from ticket collector to gatekeeper has been booked. Agamati Vinay Kumar, 33 years old, partner of Sandhya, booked. A6, Agamati Santosh Ashutosh Reddy, partner at Sandhya Theatre, booked. A7, Renuka Devi, partner at Sandhya Theatre, 70 mm, booked. A8, Agamati Aruna Reddy, partner at Sandhya Theatre, booked. A11 is Allu Arjun. A11 is superstar Allu Arjun. A12 is Santosh Kumar. A13 is Sharat Bani. Sharat Bani is the manager to Allu Arjun. He too has been booked. A14 is Ramesh, personal security guard to Allu Arjun, also booked. A15 is Raju, personal security guard to Allu Arjun, also booked. A18, producers of Maitri movies of Pushpa 2 movie and others. So A18, producers of Maitri movies. So if you have put some money into Maitri movies to produce the movie, you are also an accused. So A18 names producers of Maitri movies of Pushpa 2 movie and others. So they've left it open-ended. 18 accused named, right? And I have the details of the case. Name and address of deceased, Srimati Puligilla Revati. Puligilla Revati is the wife of Mogudampalli Bhaskar, who spoke to Republic TV some time back. Mr. Bhaskar, the wife of the husband of Revati. Revati passed away in what happened at the Sandhya Theatre. On the left of the screens, I'd like to play out the visuals, the CCTV visuals of the crowds trying to barge into the Sandhya Theatre. Because I have the case diary with me in my hand. Case diary is in my hand. I want to read out, if you look at that visual, what that visual essentially shows is what happened at Sandhya Theatre. If you're watching this story, ladies and gentlemen, it's a classic case of the state going after an actor. Yes, the stampede took place. Crowds were mismanaged. Whether permissions were given or not is still a subject of debate, subject of investigation. But the manner in which the state government has gone all out in this particular case, in fact, a few minutes back, we also broke the reaction coming in from a Congress MLA who says on record to Allu Arjun, we will block your movies, we will teach you a lesson. How dare you speak about Revanth Reddy like that? I mean, that gives away the entire political plot of the Vendetta angle in this entire story of a state putting its might behind the police and, of course, their own party workers, gave them the strength to go to Allu Arjun's home, attack his residence, and everyone's attacking Allu Arjun personally, giving out media sound bites saying that we will teach him a lesson, etc. Why? Because he chose to respond to Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana. How did he respond? He held a news conference and he put the facts out in public for public consumption based on what was said in the assembly by the Chief Minister and Owaisi brother. Owaisi brother, which is Akbaruddin Owaisi. And I have the details. Let me in fact go back to the case diary. The case diary also talks about the names and addresses of witnesses. The witnesses, here we have the complainant and husband of deceased as witness number 1. So Bhaskar, who's the husband of one of the deceased persons, here in this particular case, it was Revati. Revati's husband is the first witness. Anudeep, named as second witness. Jannu Bharat, third witness. Sripati Monica, SI of police. Police, witness number 4. Shrikant, Constable, witness number 5. Police Inspector assisted the IO number 6. Witness 7th is Raju Naik, Inspector of Police. Now all of this is also in the court because of course this was the case diary. They had to produce the full details of the case in the court and I have all of that with me. Now let me go through the details of what the police has said in great detail to build a case against Allu Arjun. What is striking here is that Allu Arjun, in this particular case, ladies and gentlemen, is accused number 11. I'm repeating that. He's accused number 11. If you look at this document, Allu Arjun is accused number 11. If my camera person can just zoom in, just look at this a little bit. If you can zoom in, it may not be very clear, but he's accused number 11. If accused number 11 were one of the first people to be arrested, then that tells you the real motive of the state government of Telangana, which has gone after Allu Arjun. Now, we spoke to different people in Telangana who also confirmed to Republic that perhaps there was an angle of personal animosity in the Congress, in the Chief Minister's office of the Chief Minister himself with members of the film fraternity in Telangana, which may have led to the situation getting out of hand. There have been several instances, according to the sources who we spoke to here at Republic TV, who said that cinema actors were not forthcoming and didn't give the kind of support that the state government perhaps expected them to give, which could have been one of the reasons why things have gone down. And what is strange is that Allu Arjun's father-in-law, you saw his father, Allu Arvind, who was with him all along today. When he went to the police, he was by his side. When he got home as well, there were pictures of him getting off the car as well. But what is strange is that you have his father-in-law, who's a Congress supporter. In fact, strangely, Allu Arjun's father-in-law also participated in a protest against the BJP, an Ambedkar protest. Backing Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the fight against the BJP. That is how recent, and that is his association with the Congress. He supports the Congress party, and despite that, they've gone after him, which means something has really gone down. So I'm going to now read out the details of this particular case that they have made up against Allu Arjun. And according to this particular document that I have in my hand, The police says, in continuation of the last remand case diary dated 8th of December, on credible information along with the staff, proceeded to Snehapuri colony, apprehended accused persons. They talk about the accused persons and how in great detail they went and arrested, all these accused people. Now, they give details about what they said in custody, and the police here says that they took the accused A16, A17 into custody, interrogated them thoroughly, wherein they admitted they're guilty of committing the offence. The police claims that A16, A17, and these are people who are associated with Allu Arjun. Like I said, A16 and A17 in this particular case are linked to Allu Arjun, and they say that people close to Allu Arjun have also admitted their guilt of committing the offence. And in pursuance of his confession statement, A16 led the police and mediators to Sandhya Theatre, wherein the witness 7 recovered firecrackers from watchman room of Sandhya 70mm Theatre under cover of seizure report in presence of witness 2 and 3 as material evidence at the instance of A16. Essentially, they're trying to build a case where they're trying to tell the people and the courts that there was no permission given for Allu Arjun or his team to go to Sandhya Theatre in the first place and celebrate the movie. Now, of course, the theatre owners, when the Stampede happened, put out their version, gave out copies of letters that were sent to the police, and the police in the court have said there was no permission given, and despite the permission not being given, the superstar and his entire team, ensemble, movie makers, everybody rushed to the theatre, and that is why the situation went out of hand. So this case diary puts out the full details, but what we would like to focus on, it's very, very long. I won't take you through the full details of it. I will give you some of the pointers in a short while from now. Essentially, the story so far is Allu Arjun, despite being granted interim bail, was called by the police today for questioned for 4 hours. There is a possibility of him being called once again. And then you have the Congress leaders openly threatening him, saying that they won't allow his movies to be released in Telangana. And they're also adding that they will teach him a lesson for speaking against Revanth Reddy in the tone that he did. Saying that you are from Telangana, how dare you speak about Revanth Reddy? So that gives away the full story of the political vendetta that we've been speaking about. Allu Arjun versus Congress is the story. I'd like to play out the soundbite of Bhupati Reddy. Bhupati Reddy spoke to the media, attacking Allu Arjun, warning Allu Arjun. We'll play out the reactions and then we'll get you more details. Back to you for now.
ఎర్రచందనం అమ్ముకోవడానికి నువ్వు చేసిన దందలను చూపించినావు. నువ్వు మా ముఖ్యమంత్రి మాట్లాడితే ఖబర్దార్, నువ్వు ఆంధ్రోడిలాగానే ఉండి ఇక్కడ బతకడానికి వచ్చినావు. నేను ఒక ఎమ్మెల్యేగా, రూలింగ్ పార్టీ ఎమ్మెల్యేగా మాట్లాడుతూ ఉన్నాను. ఇవాళ మీకు ఇచ్చిన గౌరవాన్ని ఉంచి ఇక్కడ వ్యాపారం చేసుకోండి. కానీ మా ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారి మీద మాట్లాడినా ఇంకేదో నీకు ఉన్నది ఏందా? నువ్వు పగటి వేషగాడివి, డబ్బులు ఖర్చు పెట్టి డబ్బులు సంపాదించుకునే వ్యాపారస్తుడి. నువ్వు ఈ సమాజానికి ఏం చేసినావు? నీ గౌరవం ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు వ్యాపారం చేసుకుని బతకండి అంతే. మీ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఏముందా తెలంగాణకు? 100% మేము హెచ్చరిక జారీ చేస్తా ఉన్నాము. ఇంకా మొన్న ఇంటి ముంగట కొంతమంది వాళ్ళు జాయింట్ యాక్షన్ కమిటీ వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసినట్టు, కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా ఇదే పద్ధతిగా మార్చుకోకుంటే తప్పదంగా కాంగ్రెస్ శ్రేణులు కూడా తెలంగాణలో సినిమాలు కూడా ఆడని కొడుకని చెప్తా ఉన్నాం.